Namaste, welcome to my channel Tarot by Anjalli. This video is dedicated to a technique which I find is the best technique of tarot card reading. So, to know what is the best technique of tarot card reading, keep watching this video till end. Guys, if you all are in tarot card reading, you all know that there are different spreads which we use for predicting the future. But what is the best technique of tarot card reading? Which I find the best technique of tarot card reading is keep shuffling the cards. Just keep shuffling the cards. The card that pop out when you shuffle is the best card to predict the real situation. The real situation, past, present or future, whatever. But the card that pops out is the best. See, this one, that the card that fell down will predict you the best outcome of what is going to happen. Let's say the querent asked you a question that will he or she qualify an exam, and you started shuffling the card. The question that is there in your mind is, will he or she qualify the exam or not? The card that will pop out will tell you the answer yes or no. So in this case, when I was shuffling, this card popped out. Knight of Cups. So Knight of Cups is a positive card. You can say the answer is yes. Yes, he will qualify the exam. But what about a situation where you have a complex question? It is not only yes or no. So sometimes what happens that the querent has asked you a complex question where the answer cannot be said only just by seeing one card. In that case, if you have a popped out card in your hand, then that card must indicate that querent's situation. Sometimes swords card pops out and a 9 of swords, 10 of swords. So it is very evident that this querent is in stress. So a popped out card is holding a specific energy. It is very important in your reading. So even if you do a spread, even if you take out 5 or 6 cards, but when a card pops out, that card will hold the most important energy, the most important information about that querent. So what I feel is the best technique is to think about that person, think about your querent, think about the question, keep shuffling the cards. The card that pops out will be the best card to predict the outcome. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe because this will motivate me to make more videos for you.